Hello everyone, and welcome to Hyperspace. When you first install and launch Hyperspace on a Mac, there are a couple of permissions that you need to enable in order to make Hyperspace work properly. Apple doesn't allow us to enable these permissions for you, so you will need to enable them during the setup process. When you launch Hyperspace for the first time, two boxes will pop up from macOS. The first will ask you to add a VPN configuration. Click Allow on this box, which will allow Hyperspace to act as a VPN on your Mac. The second box asks for network extensions permissions, which are required for Hyperspace to function properly. This pop-up's a little tricky. Don't press OK. Instead, you need to press the button to go to Settings and manually toggle the network extension on. If for some reason you accidentally press OK, don't worry. You can manually go to the correct setting and enable it by going to Settings, General Settings, Login Items and Extensions. Scroll down to the Extensions section and click Network Extensions. Then toggle the switch on manually. That's it. Hyperspace is now set up and ready to go.